broke nigga like DaBaby. When he hit the city, he gon'
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Everybody go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't. Subscribe, and we're about to go in there and get a demo. Appreciate y'all always watching. Stay tuned for more videos as well. Definitely hitting hard in this Tahoe.
Baby, oh hell, well, thank you. I was gonna say I was needing a little sanitizing. Yes, that's good.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's John Harrison. I'm running 4 ZVX 15s on 2 10K amps, and I got 8-inch ports in the rear, and I'm just running the 500 on my door speakers. But hopefully by the next show or next year when we come back around, I'm gonna have 2,000 watts on the doors and running a 8-channel with 12 mids and highs.
Nice.
So I'm trying to talk this next time. I'm beating it down a little bit now, but
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to talk a little bit next go around.
What kind of amps are they? The sub amps?
Power acoustic.
Power acoustic. Okay, awesome.
They said they was underrated, but
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, man. They're doing good. Yes, sir.
I wanted to ask you, how are you staying clean and socially relevant during this time of crisis? Oh, well, okay. No, that, you know, that is refreshing, and I like it. But yeah, I'm done with that. Well, what I really wanted to ask is, how are you handling the bitches? Well, I think a double will do me. I think that's good. Now, are you double rapping during this time of crisis with these women? And let me ask you this. If a mofo were to cough on you, will you sling the iron? I'm just curious. We all have to stay safe. We have to stay quarantined. Oh, yes. You know, they say the 3 times is a charm. And I think that's gonna do it, boy. I will. I want you to double dip, and I want you to stay safe. Hand sanitize, keep a social distance. Remember a nice 6-foot diameter. I'm Fillmore Butts. Back to you in the studio, Phil. Okay, let's go, nigga. Let's go. Hit lost on the bitch at night. Bitch, I've been doing push-ups. Play with baby and top nigga good up. I look good at two, but got 6 figures put up. Knock his head off his neck for a look up. And charge on the chest for a check, bitch, I stood up. I stood up on that neck for a check. Now my head get stressed in my bed. I get 300K for a shirt, but what you Yeah, I was that little nigga. Next one. Put behind the head like she was a prince. And I picked her. Trying to kill push, call the ambulance, get strapped. This bitch right here in Alphard. The pics of me in Alphard. Me don't leave, this bitch can't leave a nigga alone, she call me.
All right, bass trick right there, man.
Smack on me, cross, she got it last. She said, "What's done?" She throwing that ass. She said, "Quit running." I'm rolling the daggers, I throw on the necklace. Really got nothing to hide. She rolling circles. Me, started at 12:30. Go to the free. She's hot. I'm sweating out bullets off. I just tell her to pray. Then I can work out on. I'm doing my push-ups in that post. Just not work out home. I put a bad towel on my face.
Just that one, you can tell a difference. I appreciate the demo. And what was your name?
John.
John, awesome. Everybody give a like for John, man. Thanks for the demo, man.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
what's your link on those so I can check it out?
YouTube, JacobViral.
Okay.